You doing it too?
What's wrong? What's gonna happen if we touch it?
Nothing.
That's what's gonna happen. You gotta eat it. No point.
Okay, you see it?
Go.
Ew, it looks like.
Oh! You supposed to chew it. You gotta chew it.
All right. Eric
That's
got
one.
5 points.
5 points. You still doing 5 points? Well, if you can do it like that, hold on.
And then,
You can't get 5 with
Wait,
snails.
how many did you eat?
He said,
that's my third. This is my
That's third. That's
Where
his
my lemonade
third.
at?
Well,
That's your third?
yeah.
I can't do it.
I think Jeremiah needs.
Wait a minute. Are you serious? It's 4.
That's 4.
What the?
really eating them for fun.
Okay,
Oh my God.
so I think he gets 5 points for sure. He's
getting
5
20.
snails.
I told
It's
him.
25.
Oh, 25.
Do it.
Oh, look at
Why you looking at it? Just eat it.
Yeah, the
Don't eat it,
flavor-
I eat it.
Yeah, I
The
don't.
flavor is probably in.
You don't eat it, I eat it. I already ate 3 of them.
Damn, Aaron is in the
Keep it
lead,
down. Hold
man.
on, he's gotta keep it down. Gotta keep it down.
You got any more?
Damn.
Hey, Willie, man. You just could any kind of thing.
Eric got 21 points. How many did you eat?